This video walks you through how to add a supplier in Xero. Begin at the top menu in Xero, click Contacts, then choose Suppliers. This opens the Supplier Contacts area where you can view existing suppliers and add a new one. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the supplier list appears before moving on. From the Suppliers page, click New Contact. That opens the Add Contact page where you can enter the details for the supplier you want to create. This is the main record Xero will use when you enter bills and other purchase transactions for that supplier. On the Contact Details tab, start by entering the contact name. This field is required, so make sure it is filled in before you continue. You can then add an account number if you use one for your own records. After that, enter the primary person details for the supplier contact. Depending on the information you have, you can also fill in the email address, phone number, and website. Continue down the same section and enter the business registration number if you need to store it in the supplier record. There is also a notes field, which is optional. Use that if you want to include any internal reference or supporting detail related to this supplier. If you do not need it, you can leave it blank and move on. If you want to include more information, use the tabs on the left side of the page. In Addresses, you can add billing and delivery addresses for the supplier. This is useful if the billing location is different from the delivery location, or if you want both stored in the contact record for future use. In Financial Details, enter any bank account information, tax ID, and currency that apply to the supplier. Make sure these details match the supplier information you intend to use for purchases and payment records. In Sales Defaults, you can configure the default sales settings for the contact if needed. In Purchase Defaults, set the default purchase account, bill due date, tax settings, region, and department. These defaults can help keep your purchase entries consistent when you create bills later. If any of these extra sections are not relevant for this supplier, you can leave them as they are. Once the contact details and any optional information are in place, go to the bottom or top of the form and click Save and Close. Xero will save the supplier and return you to your contacts. The supplier will now be available to select when you create bills and other purchase transactions. Your supplier has now been added to your Xero contacts and is ready to use in purchase transactions.